Fear is fading, and hopefully that means the prices will soon be taking off and rising. I know that when you're here every single day and you're looking at cryptocurrency prices every single day, it almost seems as like time just ceases to exist and it's nothing but perpetuity. Meaning that when things are going down, they seem like they're going to go down forever. When things are going up, they seem like they're going to be going up forever. But we're moving from a very fearful situation where retail investors are nowhere to be found to those that remain here are starting to get, well, a little bit more confident, perhaps even greedy. And because of that, I want to talk about the top 3 meme coins that you guys could be looking into right now that could really soar in the upcoming weeks and months. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, you get a fear to greed index on the screen right now that is now ticking back up into a green scenario or a greedy scenario. Now, this doesn't mean that retail investors are necessarily flowing back in or racing to get back into cryptocurrency at this point, but it does mean those that are still here are much more confident than they were a week ago, 2 weeks ago, when we were facing extreme fear or a level of 25 on this fear to greed index here. Now, because of that, we can still see here that retail investors are nowhere to be found. We're still at bear market lows in terms of those out there searching for cryptocurrency. But with that being said, they will return. And when retail investors soar back into the market or break open that floodgate and become pouring back in, what are they going to turn to? They're going to turn to those they know the most. They're going to turn to the largest communities, those that they trust. Now, that leads me to my number 1 pick, and that is dogecoin. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency space are hating on these celebrity tokens right now because, of course, well, celebrities are out to scam you, they're going to rug you, and so on. Guys, Andrew Tate's Daddy token has been able to accumulate 56,880 holders in about a 1-month period. 56,880 holders at a time when investors were extremely fearful. That should speak for itself. But on top of that, you're looking at a guy that has 9.7 million followers out on X, and he is constantly promoting this token. If there's one thing that we've learned, it is that marketing is one of the most important aspects of any cryptocurrency. The more people that see it, the more people that join the community, the more people that want to buy it. And if anybody has proven themselves to be able to build a community, it is Andrew Tate. This guy's got a very strong following, and therefore I believe Daddy token, after this consolidation, as the market continues to rise and retail pours back in, this token could absolutely soar in value. On top of that, I want to talk about Wiener AI. Wiener AI is my second pick right now because it's only got 5 days left in the pre-sale, and it's been able to amass a $7 million inflow at a time very similarly to Andrew Tate's token when everybody was fearful. That fear to greed index is very important. Now, we know that retail investors have yet to pour back into the market, but those who were here were afraid, yet they continued to buy. That shows the absolute strength of Wiener AI, and with the token presale ending in 5 days, this could be launching at literally one of the best times. We've got a lot of very influential people talking at the Nashville Bitcoin conference over the next 3 days. That is going to inspire cryptocurrency investors. And if retail begins to pour back in, if confidence turns to greed, these tiny little tokens are going to see the largest impact and the largest percentage gains because, of course, that's where the risky investors go. And the higher the confidence, the higher the greed, the more likely they're to flow into little tokens like Wiener AI. And finally, I want to talk about Base Dogs. Base Dogs is still doing very well with $2.7 million in inflows during these pre-sale stages, but the thing that sticks out to me the most, rewards. Retail investors can't afford to go out there and buy $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 worth of one token, but they do have time, and they can accumulate rewards. Check this out. If you guys decided to buy 1 Ethereum worth of Base Dogs, you'd be walking away with 465,969 Base Dogs. You're going to be getting a roughly 5% increase every week when the pre-sale stage is over and the price rises. Each one of these previous price stages has resulted in about a 5% increase in the overall price, which means you are making money before this token even launches. On top of that, 5% is nice, but the refer to earn 10% is even better. So if you guys come out here and you create a referral code, you can share that referral code on your social media. You can share it on with your family, with your friends, and so on, and you can earn 10% of any purchase amount. On top of that, you guys can stake for a 12x annualized increase. A 1,137% return for staking base dogs is an incredible way to stack up before this token ever goes live. And if that wasn't enough, you still have airdrop rewards. The airdrop rewards are going to be coming soon, and I don't even think you're going to need. Of course, you're going to get more points, right? You're going to be able to get more points and therefore larger drops if you do buy base dogs. But you can earn these dogs points without buying anything, just for sharing on social media and fulfilling these quests. Guys, because Base Dogs is offering such an opportunity to literally everybody, those that buy and those that don't buy, it's got the potential to be one of the top 3 coins in the coming days, weeks, and months as the overall market continues to show greed and ticks even higher into the greedy section, and eventually they will return. And eventually, when these retail investors return and spike up, they're going to be going for the smaller tokens like Base Dogs, like Wiener Dog AI, and of course like Daddy as well. Because they're going to flow to where the communities are, they're going to flow to where the opportunities are, and that's all around marketing. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.